How to fix Chrome unable to load elf.dll on Windows. 1. Run a system file checker scan as admin. 2. Copy elf.dll from a working PC, then paste that file into Chrome's application folder. 3. Roll back Windows with System Restore. 4. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Google Chrome.